Hello and welcome to Gone Exploring. This video is the last of the series of the bathroom redo. And here it is, all finished. A while ago I found a picture and I used it as my inspiration picture. I will insert here. Didn't exactly come out like it, but so now we're gonna go over the prices of things. The original piece I got for the bathroom was that light fixture, and I believe it was 15 bucks at Habitat for Humanity. And I had to buy paint because I couldn't find the leftover paint for this bathroom. That was 25 bucks. And then I got a lot of stuff from Wayfair. This was a 3-piece set. This curtain ring, a toilet paper holder, and the towel holder. And that was 45 bucks. I got the curtain rod with the little medallions. And the curtain rod was 15. The medallion curtain hooks was 15. So the sink I got from Wayfair, it was originally over $200. I got it for $60. It was on sale, clearance. I like the products I got from Wayfair. They seem to be good quality. The only thing I wasn't crazy about is they really lacked instructions. There are no instructions at all for the sink. The faucet, they're kind of like sketchy, but I would have liked more detailed instructions. That was my only complaint about that. I found this in Sleepy Poet Antique Mall. They were closing and moving out of Gastonia. So this was reduced, I think, by like 30%. I think I paid $2.75 for it. And when I saw it, I thought it was absolutely perfect for what I wanted. I liked the way it had this little bump out here, so it'd be perfect for a sink. And then some cabinets down here and shelves. So I could put lots of stuff in there. Plenty of drawer room with lots of more stuff. The dimensions were perfect. The height was perfect. And the funny thing is, this is something I always wanted to do, like since the early 80s. I had a dresser that I wanted to convert to a sink, but it never happened, and other stuff. But one of the problems is that when I see a dresser that I liked, I either didn't have the money, or it was the wrong size, or when I had money, I couldn't find one that I liked. But the second I saw this, I knew this was the one. And then this one thing that I really liked that was just happened to turn out that way is I have a space to put my scale at. So it's out of the way. It's the little things. I also got this mirror. I got this from Walmart online. This was $90. It lights up. It has a huge magnifying side, and then it has like a regular side. And it goes out the way, but you don't need it. This mirror we got from Big Lots for 20 bucks. And I couldn't use my old mirror because there wasn't enough clearance back here to put it. And it originally had like the strap that went up and around, but I didn't have enough room for where the strap would hang to where the mirror would wind up hanging. So I wound up just cutting those off. Got the flooring from Lowe's. That was $120. Toilet ring, that was $5. The trim was about 20. And I had the other stuff. I had the plaster to, patch the holes, and sandpaper and paint, and like the trim paint and the varnish. I had that. The total cost of this bathroom was $675, which all in all isn't too bad for a bathroom redo, I think. I'm very happy with it. I mean, vanity alone is like crazy expensive these days. I can't believe what they're charging for them. That's the end of my bathroom redo series. Thanks for watching.